Ukraine-Russia war is causing an ongoing catastrophe on Ukrainian territory. Russia's daily airstrikes on Ukraine continue to negatively affect the lives of the civilian population. Ukraine is trying to counter these attacks thanks to the air defense systems it has required with the help of Western countries, but the attacks are damaging civilian infrastructure in other important areas. As the war continues, civilian residential areas, hospitals, schools, and other infrastructure on Ukrainian territory are frequently targeted by airstrikes. This seriously threatens the safety of the civilian population and negatively affects their lives. On August 27-28, Ukrainian Air Force warned about possible missile threats in Kiev and various regions of the country during the night. The Air Force warned of missile threats, especially in Mykolaiv and Kherson regions. Likewise, it was emphasized that there is an air attack threatening Dnipropetrovsk and Zaporizhzhia regions, and this warning should be taken seriously. Following these warnings, an air raid alert was also issued in Odesa Oblast due to missile threats. This warning was later extended to the eastern, northern, and central regions of Ukraine. The Air Force said that it had detected Kalibr cruise missile threats from the Black Sea. At 4:30 Kiev time, an airstrike warning was issued in Kiev, which was later extended to western regions. In Dnipro Oblast, air defense systems reportedly responded. At around 5 o'clock, a state of alert was declared in all regions. We will keep you updated on developments.